Welcome back, my dear little scholars. This is Harshi, your science educator. We're back with chapter number 2, Living and Non-Living Things of your course book, Science Horizon Acknowledge series by Amit Publication House. Under this lesson, kids, the terms or the topics that we are going to cover are living things, non-living things, natural and man-made things, right? So let's begin with the chapter, kids. First, we will discuss about living things. We see so many things around us, kids. Some of them are living, some of them are not living. But how we can differentiate between them, right? There are some characters by which we can identify they are living or non-living. So let's see the differences. Living things which have life are called living things, like plants. Plants are living things. All animals, birds, insects, they all are living things. And humans, we all are living things. So what all characters do we have so that we have grouped into the living things, right? So let's discuss in detail. First is living things breathe. Yes, we all breathe. You breathe, I breathe, all animals, even plants, right? We all breathe. We inhale what? Oxygen. We have discussed in the last chapter. We inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. Correct. Animals also inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. But it is reverse in the condition of plants. Plants intake what? Carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen, right? So all living things breathe, right? Second is living things move on their own, like we can move from one place to another place very easily. We play, right? We run, we jump, we cycle, right? We walk. So we can move from one place to another place. Animals also move from one place to another place. But plants cannot move from one place to another, but they show some kind of movements which we will discuss in the next class or in the second class. Alright. So for now, living things can move on their own. Here is a brainstorm. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Is it living things? Can you tell me? An aeroplane can breathe? No, it cannot breathe. Aeroplane cannot move from one place to another on its own. Right? A pilot who flies an aeroplane, right kids? So, it is a non-living thing. Next is living thing grow. Yes. When you born kids, you were so small, right? Now you are grown up, you are a kid, now, and you will grow until you become an adult. Yes. So living things grow, animals also grow, plants also grow, right? So we all are living things. Living things feel. Yes, we feel things are hot or cold. You can feel the climatic conditions, right? It is so cold, you wear woolen clothes. When it is hot, you sit under the AC, right? Living things give birth to their young ones. Yes, animals, humans, even plants, they give birth. Some lays egg and some give birth to their young ones. Living things eat and drink. When we feel hungry, we eat. When we are thirsty, we drink water. Yes? So all living things need food to eat and water to drink. Plants and animals too. So we have discussed the characters of living things. Check yourself. Match the animals with their young ones. Right? Can you match it? So let's do it together. A young one of cat is called, correct, kitten. Calf is the baby of cow. Cub is the baby of lion. And chicken is the young one of hen. Very good, kids. You have done well. Now let's discuss about the non-living things. The things that do not have life are called non-living things. Right, kids? So, the characters that we have just discussed about living things, these characters are not present in the non-living things. Non-living things cannot breathe. We breathe. Non-living things cannot breathe. Non-living things do not move on their own. We need to drive. We need to take the places, or we need to push the things from moving one place to another, right? Like when you ride a bicycle, then only it will move from one place to another, right? Cycle cannot move on its own from one place to another. So they cannot. This is the feature of non-living things. Non-living things do not feel, right? They don't have feeling. Non-living things do not eat and drink. Does a cycle needs food to eat? No. Or water to drink? Correct. Cycle doesn't eat and drink. Non-living things do not give birth to their young ones, right? So all these are, here are the examples. A balloon, bag, pencil, cycle, right? So many things around you. You can find out whether the things are non-living or living. Have you understood, kids? Very good. Move on to the next one is, again we have check yourself. Look at the pictures given below and write L for living things and N for non-living things. So here is a picture of cat. Can you tell me cat is a living or a non-living thing? Very good. It is living thing. So we need to write down L here. Next is monkey. Monkey is living or non-living? Fabulous answers, kids. It's living. Write down L here. Trees. Trees are again living things. Book. Book is a living or non-living thing? It is non-living thing. Flowers or plants, right? Again, living. And mountains are non-living things. You have understood it well, kids. Now you can differentiate the things, whether they are living or non-living things. Now, we will discuss about natural and man-made things, the things either humans have made or made by nature, or you can say gifted by God. Some things like plants, the sun, clouds, rocks exist in nature. Humans have not made these things, but they exist in the nature. Who has created these things? Correct. Nature has created these things. So we will call them the natural things. They are not made by man. So that's why they are called natural things. Some things like books, pencils, tables, cars and clothes are made by us or made by man. So that is why we have grouped them into the man-made things, right? The things are either made by man or made by nature. According to their existence, we have kept in the two groups, man-made things or natural things. You can easily identify. Can you tell me the natural things? Can you give some more examples? Okay, I'll give you like air, mountains, rivers, oceans, right? So they are the examples of natural things. We have not made these things, kids. That is why they are called natural things. And the things that have made by man are called man-made things like your erasers, pencils, your notebooks, bags, TV, fridge, all the electronic appliances, right? So they are examples of man-made things. So check yourself, kids. Collect and paste the picture of your 4 man-made things in one box. Here you have 4 boxes. You need to paste the pictures, the things that have been made by man, right? Easy for you now? You'll do very good. So let's discuss the keyword and explanation. First is living things. Living means having life and non-living means not having life. Okay, kids? Humans. Humans are men, women and children. Comes under this humans category. Natural means not made by man, right? Got it? So let's recall the points that we have discussed. Things which have life are called very good living things. Things which do not have life are called non-living things. Very good answers, kids. Living things breathe, grow, they feel, they eat, they drink, they give birth to their young ones and they can move on their own from one place to another. So, we have discussed about the characters of living things. Non-living things do not show any quality out of these given qualities. They are non-living things. All things are either natural or made by man. The sun, clouds, rocks are some examples of natural because these things are made by nature or gifted by God. So recalling concept, first is take the correct option. Which of the following is living thing? Tree, house, table or car? Just recall all the characters that we have just discussed, kids, and try to find out the answers. Alright. So first is very good. Three are long. Three are living things, right? Also we need to fill the circle. First is A. So fill the A here. I am doing one for you. Rest of the circles you need to fill on your own according to the answers. We will discuss the answers, kids. Second is, which of the following is a non-living thing? Pencil, animal, human and plants. Animal, plants and humans have all the living being characters, right? They all have life, so they are living beings. Pencil is the correct answer. Pencil is a non-living thing. Also fill the A here. Alright. Third is, which of the following is a natural things? Natural things means made by nature. The correct answer is cloud. Cloud is a natural thing. Which of the following is a man-made thing? Telescope is the example of man-made thing. Next is match the following. Natural or man-made things. Chair. Chair is a correct man-made thing. Frog. Frog is a natural thing. Sun, again natural. Cloud, natural. Table, no, it is made by man. Touch me not. Touch me not is a type of a plant, kids. So it is plant means it is again natural thing. Aeroplane is made by man. Tadpole is a young one of frog. It is again natural thing. Water is natural thing and book is man-made things. Have you understood, kids? Very good. So next question is fill in the blanks. Plants, animals and dash are living things. Correct answer is humans. So we will write down humans. Plants, animals and humans are living things. Dash things move on their own. Very good answers. Living things. So living things move on their own. Dash things do not feel. Living things feel. Yes, we all have feelings, right? We can feel the anger. We can feel the love and affection, right? So, but non-living things don't have feelings. Non-living things do not feel. Fourth is dash things grow. Correct. Living things grow. Non-living things cannot grow. Man-made things are made by, very good answers, made by man. Rocks are dash things. Rocks are natural things because we have not made the rocks. It is made by nature. Next question is take the correct sentences and cross the incorrect ones. First is living things move on their own. Yes, this is the correct statement. Non-living things grow. No, they don't grow. We will write down, we will cross this. This is the non-living thing. Living things do not breathe. No, this is wrong. We all breathe. Non-living things do not feel. They feel or not? Yes, they don't feel. So this statement is correct. Books are natural things. No, books are man-made things. This is incorrect statement. So question number E. Answer the following questions. What are living things? The things that have life are called living things. What are non-living things? Things that do not have life are called non-living things. Do non-living things breathe? No, non-living things cannot breathe. Name any three natural things. We have discussed so many natural things. You can write down like clouds, air, mountains, rocks, rivers, sun, moon, stars. They are the examples of natural things. Last question is name any 5 man-made things. Again, so many things around you that have been made by man, right? You can identify like book, pencils, erasers, water bottles, right? And chalks, bags, so many things. So you can write down 5 man-made things easily. Next is, oh, that's all for this video, kids. So stay excited for clamp of another video. Till then, take care and bye.